So again, this is a question from JEE Advanced 2021 and this question is based on the concept of superconductors. तो वैसे तो इसमें सुपर कंडक्टर्स की किसी नॉलेज की जरूरत नहीं, यू डोंट नीड एनी प्रायर नॉलेज, एवरीथिंग इज रिटन एंड दिस क्वेश्चन सीम्स टू बी इजी. Special metal S conducts electricity without any resistance. A closed wire loop made of S, that is S is what? This kind of a special material does not allow any change in flux through itself by inducing a suitable current to generate a compensating flux. तो जो भी यहाँ पर ये इस तरीके का मटेरियल है तो उसमें फ्लक्स चेंज नहीं होता है, ठीक है. देयर इज नो चेंज इन फ्लक्स, डज नॉट अलाउ एनी चेंज इन फ्लक्स. तो इस तरीके के प्रॉब्लम्स मैंने पहले दिए हुए हैं और वो उसमें दिख जाएगा कि ऐसा क्यों होता है, लेकिन उन्होंने डायरेक्टली बता दिया ऐसा, ठीक है. तो इन द पैराग्राफ इन एग्जाम सिचुएशन वी विल जस्ट अज्यूम दैट इज हैपनिंग. The induced current in the loop cannot decay due to its zero resistance. This current gives rise to a magnetic moment which in turn repels the source of the magnetic field or flux. Consider such a loop of radius A like this in this figure, with its center at the origin. A magnetic dipole of moment m is brought along the axis of the loop from infinity to a point at a distance r, which is much greater than this A. Is this size of the loop. So we will consider this loop as a small magnetic dipole, okay, and from the loop, center of the loop, with its north pole always facing the loop, so it is as always facing like this as on the figure below. The magnitude of the magnetic field of a dipole m at a point on its distance at distance r is this much. So वैसे तो ये जो फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का दिया हुआ है, तो we also learn this formula in our course and it is similar to the electric dipole, that is 2 kp by rq for electric dipole, and in magnetic dipole k is replaced by mu naught upon 4 pi and p we replace by magnetic dipole moment. So this formula is like this. So anyway, क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने फॉर्मूला यहाँ पर दे दिया है. Where mu naught is the permeability free space, the magnitude of the force between the two magnetic dipoles with moments m1 m2 separated by a distance r on the common axis with their north pole facing each other is this much, okay. So this is k m1 m2 by r4 and it is again similar to what we use in electrostatics, that is k p1 p2 by r4 something, this kind of formula, and this formula we derive using p d by dr, okay. So force between two dipoles we can derive using this formula p d by dr. So in this way we can derive this formula. P is 2, this is p, and we can differentiate this, and this, let's say this is p1, this is 2k p2 by rq, okay. So it will be 6k p1 p2 by r4. So this type of formula, so they are not exact given this formula, they are just saying k some constant, okay. So एंड और ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, तो आप जब इसका सॉल्यूशन देखते हैं, उसमें जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं वो देखेंगे तो उसे आइडिया लग जाएगा कि वो एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं चाहते हैं, वो प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी चाह रहे हैं यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस फोर्स इज अलोंग द लाइन जॉइनिंग द टू डाइपोल्स, ओके. So the first part is when the dipole m is placed at a distance r from the center of the loop as on the figure, the current induced in the loop will be proportional to. तो यहाँ पर ये जो डाइपोल है, दिस डाइपोल इज क्रिएटिंग सम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड इसके मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस यहाँ से क्रॉस होना चाहिए, ठीक है. लेकिन ये जो डाइपोल है आपका यहाँ पे, तो ये जो सर्कुलर लूप है, ये सर्कुलर लूप कुछ ऐसी करंट अपने में फ्लो करेगा यहाँ पे जिसकी वजह से वो सारा का सारा फ्लक्स कैंसिल हो जाएगा और नेट फ्लक्स इस एरिया के थ्रू जीरो हो जाएगा. तो जहां तक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की बात है तो हमें ये करना है कि इसके वजह से फ्लक्स का मैग्नीट्यूड और ये खुद जो करंट फ्लो करा रहा है उसके वजह से फ्लक्स के मैग्नीट्यूड को वी हैव टू जस्ट इक्वेट इट, ओके. तो इसके वजह से जो फ्लक्स यहाँ पे पास होगी तो आपको जस्ट इतना करना होगा कि जस्ट राइट इट्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हियर, और क्योंकि ये एरिया काफी आपको छोटा लेना है, यहाँ पे रेडियस काफी कम लेनी है इसकी, तो ऑलमोस्ट इस पूरे एरिया पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैन बी अज्यूम टू बी कांस्टेंट. तो फ्लक्स ड्यू टू some external effect, this external effect is due to this, okay. So flux through this loop due to this external effect of this, I can write it like this. So what is the magnetic field? Magnetic field multiplied by area, okay. So magnetic field will be equal to, this is mu naught m divided by 2 pi r cube, this is the magnetic field, multiplied by its area of the loop. Okay, now this flux will be cancelled by the induced current in this loop, and due to its self current, what is the flux? So it is coefficient of self inductance multiplied by its own current, which is I. So the question is only asking for some proportionality. So current induced in the loop will be proportional to. So obviously pi a square and its coefficient of self-inductance, these parameters are constant parameters. Okay. So what you have to do only, just see this current and what are this parameter it is asking in terms of M. So this is M and this is RQ. So this is proportional to M divided by RQ. Only these two are visible from here. So this I is proportional to M by RQ. So this option is correct here. Let us go to the next part of this question. So next part, question number 14. The work done in bringing the dipole, because there is some repulsion between them. This loop, ये जो लूप है ये नहीं चाहता कि ये इधर की तरफ आए. सो दिस लूप और ये जो आपस के फोर्सेस इनके बीच में, तो फोर्सेस आर रिपल्सिव फोर्सेस. ओके, सो अंडर दैट रिपल्शन this is dipole को we have to bring here. So there must be some external agent. So जो magnetic forces यहाँ पे लग रहे हैं, repulsive forces, वो repulsive forces are like this, and some external agent is there, and that external agent is doing some work. Okay, and that external agent is exerting force like this. अगर इसको slowly move कराया जा रहा है इधर की तरफ, तो इसका मतलब ये दोनों forces आपस में equal होने चाहिए. And force is already given in this problem. Everything is given in this paragraph. Okay, so paragraph is very informative, I can say. All the informations are given. बस जो जरूरत है वो कि इसको पेशेंस के साथ में अगर we read there, तो this question is very simple. So this is the force K M1 M2 by R4. This is the force. Okay, M1 M2, what are the M1 M2? M1 is the respective dipole moment of this and dipole moment of this. Okay, these are the M1 M2. So obviously now the force external will also be like this, K M1 M2 divided by R4. Okay, and M2, I'm assuming M2 to be this and M1 to be this. And what is the value of M1? M1 is equal to simply pi a square area and current in this. And this current will play a role here. How it will play a role here? I is directly proportional to this. Okay, so the work done is simply this K M1 M2 divided by R4. I'm not considering any sign or etc. I'm just bothered about how this is turning to be, and what is the proportionality. Okay, just I'm bothered about the proportionality. So K, you can take it out, and in M1 this is the area, this is not going to change, and this is I, and this I is directly proportional to this, so I am just using this. Okay, so obviously this M is constant and this RQ will go, and this M2 here is also equal to M, so it will be M square ultimately, and it is dr by R7. And if you integrate this, so 1 by R7 you will get 1 by R6. So the work done is proportional to M square divided by this R6. M square divided by this R6. So this is going to be the answer. Suppose if someone is not careful, अगर कोई केयरफुल नहीं है और M1 को अगर वो पुट ना करे, तो क्या आंसर ऐसा दिया हुआ है कि आंसर आ सकता है इसमें, तो उस केस में यहाँ पर R4 and -4 + 1, it will be R3. So there is no such answer, I think, here. So this is the answer. This is M squared divided by R6. So C is the correct option.